This video shows you how to replace that guide rubber that guides the window. First remove this very outer rubber. Comes out pretty easy, just pull it out. Oh, it goes all the way around. Goes up to there. And then to pull this rubber out, to replace that, the actual rubber where the rubber what the window slides in, you can start on the inside at the ends here and loosen it, and then come this side and then just start pulling this out, hook it with a screwdriver or something, and then you can pull this out, go all the way around. Slide the window backwards and forwards, get the rubber out. Just have to dig in a bit with a screwdriver or something, pull the ends off. Those would be, that'll have glue on it to keep it in the track. Just pull that loose. I'll rub it out. I can clean the channel properly, get all the dirt out. Clean this channel properly before you install the new rubber. And then also, when you install the new rubber, make sure to cut slots for the water to drain out the gutters. Having this piece here, you can pull the rubber through. You just got to open the window, open and close it, and slowly pull the rubber through. Just got to keep feeding on this side. I'm doing it by myself, but I'm sure if you're two people, it'll be a lot quicker and easier. And I do exactly the same at the top. Cut the piece in half, so you've got a little piece to pull on. And then you feed this rubber into the channel and pull the window closed a bit, and then you pull on this and push the window open, and while you're pushing open, you're pulling on this to feed it into the channel. Just go a little bit at a time, then you'll get the rubber in. The rubber is in at the bottom. Close the window. Open the window while you're pulling there. Close the window. Now the rubber's in all the way. Now just this last bit needs to be put some contact on there, just glue it in position all the way around the top and on the side there, just to keep it in position. I don't think it's necessary to put any glue at the bottom, that should stay permanent there. But no harm in putting a bit of glue. And yeah, this is the extra. I bought extra, so it's extra length. Definitely worth having the extra length to help pull it through. Now I can just cut off that little end bit. Same at the bottom. Rubber's in, and I applied some glue at the top. And just put these pieces of wood to push the rubber up so that the glue can dry. And that side, the window, will keep the rubber in position to give time for the glue to set. Bit of a mission. Yeah, so it was possible to put the rubber in without taking the window out. When I purchased the rubber, the gentleman told me and said, no, you've got to remove the frame from the van and split the frame to get the rubber in. I got it done without doing that. And as I suggested, it'll be a lot easier if it's two people. But I managed.